mini-reunion kami. Jason!
Para sila, ano, sa Matalo?
Sino?
Si Stan, kag ang GF. Yung pala, ang pupunta sa workshop, pala.
Din, sino? Si Stan? Stan, hi!
Na!
Ano, gani nga ito nga screening? Sini kasi Manwa?
Pagkabalo, November 15.
Or basta, bantayan nyo by November. Laban-laban, next month, may announcement na, may pa-teaser na nabuo,
Yeah, siguro,
di ba?
siguro.
So, bantayan nyo, sini kasi Manwa, number 7. Kulang ka mong tudlo.
Akala ko kasi kayo magpa-5. Akala ko kayo magpa-5.
Sini kasi Manwa, number
7.
Alright! Ari ko na subong sa CR. Yes! Mayong. Good night sa inyo. Ari kita subong sa sinihan. It's 9 p.m. and we will watch the last screening sa Family History. Sige, hindi na ko magpalawig-lawig din. Kaya batian nyo naman. Let's start na ang ating mga advertisements. So, let's go and watch! Ouch! Hello! Ngayon lang nakatapos ng Family History. Oo, kasi medyo mixed emotions. I was actually waiting na iiyak ako, pero naku-compliment siya ng galit. I don't know if it's just me. Probably those who have been in a relationship would understand, and I really suggest for those of you na nagsa-start pa lang ng family, please do watch Family History. I tell you, the storytelling was Michael V, the best talaga. Parang hindi mo masasabi na first film mo ito. And yun, may in-invite ako ngayon na isang filmmaker din dito sa Iloilo. Let's invite him inside. Tingnan natin kung anong masasabi niya as a filmmaker. Yes, Ash Maranico. Kita mo no, yung camera natin umakyat. Oh, no. So, as a filmmaker, anong masasabi mo?
Big applause to Michael V for the film. Yeah. Cinematography-wise, yeah, it's mainstream. The production and everything, artist, yes. As a filmmaker kasi, I don't mind anything wrong sa pag-imo nila or what. Okay, I try my best nga ma-put ko akon nga mind sa shoes sa antagonist. Pag sa protagonist man, kung anong ang ilang goal sa story. Like, you can see nga ang ating nabida, si Michael V, na nagka-problem siya about sa in a family, even though, yes, he is a very jolly person, nga positive siya. You should make use of the people around you. Dapat, you should know how to express yourself, man, hindi lang dapat ikaw lang permit. Like, I don't know if it's considered man versus himself or man versus the society. That's the film. But yeah, like yung scene kanina, hindi ko gusto i-spoil, pero hindi na kontra siya sa self niya or sa society. I can't really tell because it's a very, very great story na ang sa akin. Because of the aspects of filmmaking, nabutan niya to.
Tulad nga ng sabi ng mentor namin, once you were aware of what filmmaking is all about, medyo hindi mo siya ma-enjoy totally. Kung sa ako naman, bilang isang filmmaker din, no, merong mga fresh for your eyes, may ibang mga shots na iba na hindi nyo makikita sa ibang film. So, I guess...
For example, every time mabalaan ni Michael V na there's a problem or something jump out siya, the camera starts to twist like this, and then the color starts to weird colors, like for example green and violet, like hindi siya like a compliment yet, pero the I don't know, lighting director put it.
And for the actors, may mga actors ako na nagulat talaga ako na nandun sa film. So kung sino man yon, better watch this film. And syempre, alam niyo naman, Michael V. Don Zulueta. So I guess that's for our review. So thank you very much for watching this vlog, and don't forget, bago kayo mag-subscribe, manood kayo ng Family History, and please do subscribe to my
mag-update ka mo sa akong channel. Di ano pang hinulat mo? Pindutan ang subscribe button, pati